నార్మల్ చాలు కానీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న నార్మల్ Yeah, hello students, good evening one and all. Today's topic is inverse trigonometry. Yesterday's concept continuation. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So today's topic is inverse trigonometry, and this is Chandrasekhar. Good evening one and all. So yesterday what we have discussed, the basic definitions in inverse trigonometry as well as some properties of inverse trigonometry we have discussed yesterday. Then let us continue the properties today. Okay, now let us continue the properties of inverse trigonometric functions today. Okay. And what you are seeing on the screen, that is about admissions. Admissions are open for 2022-23 batch EAMCET JEE NEET, and join us for free live classes daily. Download our app Spark Academy. Okay, here in your daily live classes you get in session doubt clarifications and free materials in our app. And then next tips and tricks for EAMCET JEE NEET. Okay, and admissions are open for classroom and online coaching, so join with us. And here you are seeing the set of faculty. Okay, right, physics, math and bio. Now yeah, this is our YT schedule, this is our YouTube schedule. So here our classes on Wednesday as well as Thursday. We have the classes on Wednesday and Thursday, right? Then let us move to the properties. I think yesterday we have done like what is sine inverse of negative x, what is cos inverse of negative x, and what is cos inverse of negative x, and what is tan inverse of negative x. That all we have discussed yesterday. And you see in the next page what we have, it's a coupon code. So if you use this coupon code while purchasing your online courses, you may get a 10% concession on your course fee. And today's session plan, yeah, this is what I am telling you. Yesterday up to sine inverse of minus x, cos inverse of minus x, tan inverse of minus x, and secant, cosecant and cot inverse of negative x we have learned. Today let us continue the properties of inverse trigonometry functions, and then let us solve some questions. Okay, and let us solve some questions on that inverse trigonometric functions, right? Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So the next set of properties are, one second, I can change the ink. Right, so the next property is, I don't know what number that is. Today I can continue with like Roman number 1 again from today. For today, Roman number 1, we can write sine inverse of x as cosecant inverse of 1 by x, and for all x belongs to closed interval negative 1 comma 1. This is the next property. Sine inverse of x is equals to cosecant inverse of 1 by x for all x belongs to negative 1 comma 1. As it is 1 by x, x should not be 0 here. X should not be 0 here. This is the next property. And in this, the second property, cos inverse of x, which is equals to secant inverse of 1 by x, and here also for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1, closed interval minus 1 comma 1, and x should not be equals to 0. Okay, now this is cos inverse of x. And then next, the third property, tan inverse of x. So what is tan inverse of x? As usually we can write cot inverse of 1 by x. As usually we can write cot inverse of 1 by x. For all x greater than 0, this one will come. If for all x less than 0, if for all x less than 0, what do you get? You get negative pi plus cot inverse of 1 by x. What is that? Negative pi plus cot inverse of 1 by x. Okay, and the next formula, the next set of formulas, second set. In that first formula, sine inverse of x can also be written as cos inverse of under root of 1 minus x square. Can also be written as cos inverse of under root of 1 minus x square. Here what is the condition? Here if 0 less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 1. 0 less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 1. Okay, and next, same formula we can also write it as negative cos inverse of under root of 1 minus x square if minus 1 less than or equals to x less than 0. Minus 1 less than or equals to x less than 0. This is sine inverse of x. Okay, and next, the second formula is cos inverse of x. And if you want to express the same formula in terms of tan also, you can express it. Tan inverse of, what do you get? X divided by, okay, now under root of 1 minus x square. X divided by under root of 1 minus x square. What could be the formula here? If condition, if x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. This is the condition. If x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 open interval, then tan inverse of x by under root of 1 minus x square will come. And next, the second property, cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x is equals to sine inverse of under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and here for all same, for all x belongs to closed interval 0 comma 1. For all x belongs to closed interval 0 comma 1. If it is pi minus sine inverse of under root of 1 minus x square, then we can write here then we can write here for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 0 open, closed interval minus 1 comma 0 open, right? And the next what we have, next set words are tan. Okay, tan inverse of x. What is a tan inverse of x? Tan inverse of x is a sine inverse of x divided by under root of 1 plus x square, or else we can write it as cos inverse of 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. Here x greater than 0, and here, yes, here also x greater than 0. For all x greater than 0, you get a tan inverse of x is equals to sine inverse of x divided by under root of 1 plus x square. Can I repeat? Sine inverse of x divided by under root of 1 plus x square. And the next formula is cos inverse of 1 divided by, okay, under root of 1 plus x square for all x greater than 0. Right? These are the next set of formulas. Then the third set for today. What is the third set? For today, the third set is important set. This also today for the third set is sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. What it will become? Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. And for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Do you understand? Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. And for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay? And similarly we can write the second formula as tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x, which is equals to pi by 2 for all x belongs to R. This is the second one. And the third formula is secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x, which is equals to pi by 2. And for all x belongs to closed interval, for all x belongs to closed interval, open minus infinity comma minus 1 closed union 1 comma infinity. Okay, na? These are the three important formulas. Next three important formulas, I repeat once again. Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. And the second formula, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equals to pi by 2 for all x belongs to R. And the third formula, secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x equal to pi by 2 for all x belongs to open minus infinity comma minus 1 closed union closed 1 comma infinity. Right? Next, for today, the fourth set of formulas. What is the fourth set of formulae? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y? Have you remembered the tan of a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. In the same way, here also we can get the formulas like tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So what are the conditions here? For all x greater than 0, okay, for all x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and xy must be less than 1, then only this will become positive. And one more formula will come here with the different conditions. Pi plus tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy here for all x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and xy also greater than 1. Xy is greater than 1. And the next formula is negative pi plus tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, 1 minus xy for all x less than 0, y less than 0 and xy is greater than 1. And the fourth set, just 90 it is, if 90 means what? The denominator is 0. If xy is equals to 1, if xy is equals to 1, okay now, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy for all x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy less than 1. Next formula is pi plus tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy for all x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy greater than 1. Next one is minus pi plus tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy for all x less than 0, y less than 0 and xy greater than 1. And the next one is, it's 90 for all xy is equals to 1. Okay. Similarly, we can write the formula for tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Similarly, we can write the formula for tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Let us move to the next page. So the formula is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, which is equals to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy for all x less than 0, for all x less than 0, x greater than 0, comma y less than 0, x greater than 0, y less than 0 and xy is greater than, one second, tan inverse of x minus y divided by x plus y we are writing. Here we can give only one condition. The condition is xy, okay now, xy is greater than minus 1. Xy greater than minus 1 means you can understand about what is x and what is y. Both should have opposite signs. Then only this xy must be greater than minus 1. Okay. And the next formula, pi plus tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Different conditions. What are they? X greater than 0, y less than 0 and xy must be less than 1. Next formula is negative pi plus tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So here x is less than 0, x is less than 0, y greater than 0 and xy is less than minus 1. These conditions only important. We can forget the conditions. Concentrate on the conditions. Okay. Next in this the third formula is, in fourth set the third formula is sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. What is this sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y? Have you remembered sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here also same. It looks like a sin inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, what could be the conditions here? The conditions are 0 less than x, if 0 less than x, comma 0 less than y, and x square plus y square must be less than or equals to 1. X square plus y square must be less than or equals to 1. Okay, and the next formula, okay, next formula is pi plus sin inverse. Pi plus sin inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Conditions. Sorry. Minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y less than or equals to 1, comma xy less than 0. Okay, and x square plus y square is greater than 1. Okay na? And the next formula is pi minus sine inverse of x into 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Here what are the conditions? Minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y less than or equals to 0, and x square plus y square greater than 1, and x square plus y square is greater than 1. Okay na? Next formula is negative pi minus sine inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, if what are the conditions here? Minus 1 less than or equals to what conditions I written here? These are the conditions for this bottom formula, and for this above formula I can write the conditions here. What are the conditions? 0 less than or equals to x comma y less than 1, and x square plus y square greater than 1, and x square plus y square is greater than 1. Okay, these are the formulas for sine. Next one is sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of y. Next formula, sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of y, then cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y, and cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y. Okay, let us try to write here. Sine inverse of, these are important sir, sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of y. Third one, so it could be fourth. So what is this fourth one? Sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of y. So we can write this as sine inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square minus y into under root of 1 minus x square, minus y into under root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula sir. Here we have different conditions. The conditions I can write here. 0 less than or equals to x comma y is less than 1, less than or equals to 1, and x square plus y square is greater than 1, or else minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y less than or equals to 1, comma xy is less than 0, and x square plus y square is less than or equals to 1, and x square plus y square is less than or equals to 1. Next formula, pi minus sine inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square plus minus y into under root of 1 minus x square, minus y into under root of 1 minus x square. So here what are the conditions? Here the conditions are 0 less than x less than or equals to 1, 0 less than x less than or equals to 1, and minus 1 less than or equals to y is less than 0, and x square plus y square is greater than 1. X square plus y square is greater than 1. And the last formula, minus pi minus sine inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square minus y into under root of 1 minus x square. And what are the conditions here? The conditions are 0 less than y is less than or equals to 1, minus 1 less than or equals to x less than 0, and x square plus y square is greater than 1. X square plus y square is greater than 1. Here also strictly less than 0. It is strictly less than 0. Okay, next formula is cos inverse of x cos inverse of y cos inverse of x plus బయటికి వెళ్ళిపో నువ్వు వస్తే సస్తావు cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y. So what is this cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y? It is cos inverse of xy minus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square. Under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square. If minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y less than or equals to 1 and x plus y greater than 0 and x plus y greater than or equal to 0, x plus y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and the next formula is 2 pi minus cos inverse of xy minus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square. Under root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. So if minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y is less than or equals to 1 less than or equals to 1 and x plus y less than 0 and x plus y is less than 0. The next formula, what is the next formula here? Cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y. Formula number 6, cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y. This could be equals to cos inverse of xy plus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square. So what conditions will come here? If minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y is less than or equals to 1, minus 1 less than or equals to x comma y less than or equals to 1. Okay, and x less than or equals to y and x is less than or equals to y. Next, one more formula in this, cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y is equals to minus cos inverse of xy plus under root of 1 minus x square into under root of 1 minus y square, where what are the conditions? Minus 1 less than or equals to y, minus 1 less than or equals to y less than 0, comma 0 less than or equals to x is less than or equal to 1 and x is greater than or equals to y, and x is greater than or equal to y. So these are the two formulas for cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y. Okay, and then next 2 sin inverse x, 2 cos inverse x. Okay, and 2 tan inverse x. Next 3 sin inverse x, 3 cos inverse x, 3 tan inverse x. That formulas let us see in the next class. Now let us stop with this formulas. Yeah, so install our app Spark Academy and get great discounts on our courses. Next here, offline download study material, free test, student testimonials, contact us Facebook, Instagram, contact us Telegram, edit profile, payments. So in study material option you have free handwritten notes and also free study materials, and you can get previous year questions here and a free mock test. Next, admissions are open, join now, and the timings are Inter plus EAMCET and JEE NEET 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and long-term coaching from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Regular coaching for 11th and 12th 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and school tutorials 8 p.m. 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we have branches at TCL, Narangoda and Mehdipatnam. Next, link in description. So in our Spark store you can get long-term courses for 22-23 and crash courses for 22-23 and mock test, previous year questions with solutions, full length test, study materials, JEE means NEET, EAMCET and IIT foundations and IELTS more. So high quality courses with great offers and discounts. Right now Dasara special offers are going on, so try to purchase the courses or you can join offline or online courses also. And next, this is about coupon code. So while purchasing your online coaching for NEET or online coaching for JEE mains or online coaching for EAMCET, just you can enter CHA10 so that you can get 10% concession on your respective course fee. Next, daily and on-demand live sessions. So here, math on-demand sessions, physics on-demand sessions, chemistry on-demand sessions, and topic-wise live classes. Everything is there here. So you may go through that all classes. If you are unable to attend the offline classes, then you can take online classes and you can. Next, assignments, test. Okay, common assignments we can get and common test we can get. Next, to test analysis also we have. And next, what is our methodology? Our methodology means Spark Academy methodology. What is this? Basic concepts, shortcut methods, all model questions, exercise questions, previous year questions, chapter-wise test, weekend test, grand test, and test analysis. Next, why to choose Spark Academy? Because of highly experienced faculty and personalized coaching, process-oriented coaching, personal mentoring and doubt clarification, limited batch size. Okay. Still, if you have any doubts, you may contact the numbers which are given on the screen: 9133800172 or 8977525461. Admissions are open. Admissions are open for JEE mains and NEET and EAMCET. Yeah, this is the feature of the course. Suppose you have taken access to classroom is available both in hybrid coaching and online coaching. Access to online is available in both hybrid and online coaching. Access to books available in hybrid and online coaching. In online coaching, books are not available. Online study material is available in both hybrid coaching as well as online coaching. Next, weekly test. We can get weekly test on hybrid coaching as well as online coaching. Next, grand test also there in hybrid and online. Doubt clarification by person in hybrid coaching and by online mode in online coaching. Yeah, let us look into the questions now. Question number 1. What is this? Secant inverse of under root of 1 plus x square. Secant inverse of under root of 1 plus x square plus cosecant inverse of under root of 1 plus y square divided by y plus cot inverse of 1 by z plus cot inverse of 1 by z equal to 3 pi is given. What they have given? Equal to 3 pi is given. So let us solve this question now. Here secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of y. Secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of y formulas we have to apply. So secant inverse of 1 plus x square is there. If it is secant inverse of 1 plus x square, then what you get here? Let us take x is equals to tan a. Yeah, you can do this question like 1 second. Okay, put x is equals to tan theta. Okay, put x is equals to tan theta, or else here x, y, z are there. No, put x is equals to tan a, then and y is equals to tan b, z is equals to tan c. So what you get? Secant inverse of under root of 1 plus tan square a plus cosecant inverse of 1 plus tan square b divided by tan b plus cot inverse of 1 by tan c equal to 3 pi is there. So what do we write this? How do we write this? Secant inverse of what is 1 plus tan square a? Secant square a. So secant inverse of secant a is this, and plus cosecant inverse of 1 plus tan square b, that is secant b whole divided by tan b plus cot inverse of 1 by tan c. What is 1 by tan c? It's cot c equal to 3 pi. So secant inverse of secant a is a, and cosecant inverse of this is what a sine by cos we can write as tan, and cosecant is 1 by cos. Cos gets cancelled, 1 by sine is left. 1 by sine is cosecant here again. So this is cosecant b, and plus cot inverse of cot c, which is equals to 3 pi. Now a plus this is b plus, and here cot inverse of cot c means it is a c, which is equals to 3 pi. A plus b plus c is equals to 3 pi. So if a plus b plus c is equals to 3 pi, then what you get? A plus b plus c is equals to 3 pi we are getting. So that if we simplify further means we can take c that side. Yeah, a plus b is equals to 3 pi minus c, and tan of a plus b is equals to tan of 3 pi minus c, nothing but pi minus c. So that we get tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, which is equals to tan c. So that tan a plus tan b, which is equals to tan c minus tan a, tan b, and tan c. And one more point, 180 minus c is second quadrant, it is negative. So this is negative, it is positive. Send minus tan c into this side, so that we get tan a plus tan b plus tan c, which is equals to tan a into tan b into tan c. So what is tan a here? X plus y plus z. What we are getting? X plus y plus z as x, y, z. So option number 3 is correct. Option number 3 is correct. Next, question number 2. Yeah, what is this question number 2? Sine inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square plus sine inverse of 2b by 1 plus b square. So in this question also, we can take x is equals to a is equals to we can take a is equals to tan a and b is equals to tan b. Then what you get? You get a sine inverse of 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a plus sine inverse of 2 tan b divided by 1 plus tan square b, which is equals to 2 times tan inverse of x. So this is a 2a, and here it is a 2b, which is equals to 2 times of tan inverse of x. So we are getting a plus b is equals to tan inverse of x. So tan of a plus b is equals to x. Then what is a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equals to x. What is tan A? It is A. What is tan B? It is B divided by 1 minus AB, which is equals to x. So we are getting x is equals to A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. And next, question number 3. Yeah, what is question number 3? Tan inverse of tan of 1 by 2 sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square, which is equals to how much? So let us take, put x is equals to tan A, y is equals to tan B, so that we can get here tan of 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So this can be written as tan of 1 by 2 into, it is a sine inverse of sine 2A, and minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of cos 2A. So tan 1 by 2 into 2A minus 1 by 2 into 2B, this one, okay, here also B. So 2B. Finally what we are getting? We are getting tan of A minus B. So what is a tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So what is tan A? We have taken tan A equal to x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. This is the final answer. Question number 3. Option number 3. This is the answer for question number 3. Right? Next, question number 4. What is question number 4? Cos of sine inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos inverse of 1 minus 2 sine square theta, which is equals to how much? So 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta, and cos inverse of this is also cos 2 theta, and here cos of, so sine inverse of cos 2 theta. Now what is sine inverse of cos 2 theta and cos inverse of cos 2 theta? Cos inverse of cos 2 theta we can write directly. What is cos inverse of cos 2 theta? It is simply 2 theta. It is simply 2 theta. But what about this sine inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1? Sine inverse of cos is there. Sine inverse of cos is there. So what is sine inverse of cos? I have told you in the beginning. In today's class, I have told you in the beginning the formulas. I have told you. What are the formulas? Sine inverse of cos x. Sine inverse of cos x is equals to pi by 2 minus x. Yes or no? Sine inverse of cos x is equals to pi by 2 minus x. So in the same way here also we can write it as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So cos is there already outside. 2 theta gets cancelled. It will be cos 90. So what is cos 90? What is cos 90? Cos 90 value. Cos 90 is 0. Yes or no? Cos 90 value is 0. So option number 1 we can get. Right? Option number 1 we can get. Next, question number 5. x plus 1 by x equals to 2, then what is the principal value of sine inverse of x? X plus 1 by x is equals to 2, then what is the principal value of sine inverse of x? So x plus 1 by x equals to 2. What do you get from this? X plus 1 by x equals to 2. X plus 1 by x is equals to 2. Then what is the sine inverse of x? Let us take sine inverse of x is equals to some theta. Then what is x value? It is sine theta. Then here they have given x plus 1 by x is equals to 2. Then sine theta plus 1 by sine theta is equals to 2 we are getting. Sine theta plus 1 by sine theta is equals to 2. And that means sine square theta plus 1 is equals to 2 sine theta we are getting. So sine square theta minus 2 sine theta plus 1 is equals to 0. Then what it is? Sine theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Then sine theta equal to 1, which is equals to sine 90. Sine theta equal to sine 90, then theta must be equal to 90. What is theta here? Theta is sine inverse of x. Theta is sine inverse of x. Sine inverse of x is equals to 90. Sine inverse of x is equals to 90. Okay, now this is fifth question. Okay, fifth question solution. Alright, next question number 6. The numerical value of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. So here let us take 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 is equals to x. Sorry, 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 equal to x. From this we can get a tan inverse of 1 by 5, tan inverse of 1 by 5 equal to x by 2, right? Tan inverse of 1 by 5 is equals to x by 2, then tan x by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 we can get. Tan of x by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Then here actually what is required for is a tan of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5. What is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5? It is x minus pi by 4 we are getting here. So if we simplify this, tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Tan b pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So we can write this as tan x minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan x. So what is required for us? Tan x is required. So let us write tan x is equals to 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square x by 2. So 2 tan x by 2. What is tan x by 2? 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4. It could be equal to 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 3 plus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 by 3 divided by 7 by 3. This could be equals to 1 by 7. Okay, now what is the answer? 1 by 7. The numerical value of tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. Sure, 1 by 5. Okay, this is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 second. x by 2 value 1 by 5. So 2 times 1 by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 25. So this could be equals to 2 by 5 minus 24 by 25. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 2 ones are 2 12s are. This could be equals to 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 minus 1 divided by 5 by 12 plus 1. 5 by 12, that means 5 minus 12. What is 5 minus 12? Minus 7 divided by 17. So fourth option. Next, question number 7. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of 3 by 5. So here the options are there, like in terms of tan it is there, or else in terms of pi by 2 and pi by 4. So tan inverse of 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. What is this 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2? And sine inverse of 3 by 5 also there here. So let us take tan inverse of 1 by 2. For example, if you take tan inverse of 1 by 2 is equals to x, and sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equals to y, then we can get 3 by 5 is equals to sine y. 3 by 5 is equals to sine y, and 1 by 2 is equals to tan x. 1 by 2 is equals to tan x. So what we are getting here, 2x plus y we are getting. Anyway here tan is there, no? So take out tan of 2x plus y. Tan 2x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan y. So what is tan 2x? 2 tan x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, 1 by 4, plus tan y, 5 3 4, tan y 3 by 4, divided by 2 gets cancelled, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. This is 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. Acha, infinity we are getting. That is the reason the answer is pi by 2. Okay, now what we are getting here, tan of 2x plus y, which is equals to undefined. Undefined means what? It is tan 90. So 2x plus y is equals to how much? It's 90. That is the reason option number 3 is correct. Next, question number 8. What is question number 8? Sine of pi by 2 minus sine inverse of negative square root of 3 by 2. Negative square root of 3 by 2. So here in between minus 90 to plus 90 is the range. In between closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 is the range of sine inverse of x, and the domain is minus 1 comma 1. Anyway, this value is there between minus 1 and 1 only, so we can write this directly as sine of pi by 2 minus it will become plus sine inverse of sine of 60, that is pi by 3. So this will be equals to sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 3. So pi by 2 90, 90 plus 60 150. This is sine 150. Sine 150, 5 pi by 6. So sine of 180 minus theta, it is a sine 30. What is sine 30? It's 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 2. Okay, na? Answer is 1 by 2. Option 2 correct. Next, question number 9. What is question number 9? Sine of 2 tan inverse 8 by 15. Sine of 2 tan inverse of 8 by 15. So here we can write this as sine 2x. Why? Because tan inverse of 8 by 15 equal to x. Then tan x is equals to 8 by 15. Draw the right triangle. 8, 15. 225 and 64. It will be 17. So sine 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 2 times tan x, 8 by 15 divided by 1 plus 8 by 15 whole square. So 16 by 15 divided by 225 plus 64 divided by 225. So 16 by 15 into 225 divided by 289. 15 15 there. So 16 into 15. What is 16 into 15? It is 240 divided by 289. So 240 divided by 289. Option number 2 is the right option. Option number 2 is the right option. 240 divided by 289. Okay. Next, question number 10. Last question for today. So it is a secant of tan inverse of 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus tan inverse of 3 by 4, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much? So what do you get here? 5, 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. So take tan inverse of 5 is equals to x. So that tan x is equals to 5. Similarly, tan y is equals to 1 by 5. Tan z is equals to 3 by 4. Tan z is equals to 3 by 4. And now, what we are getting here? X plus y minus z. So what is this x plus y minus z? That value we have to calculate. Here we have secant of x plus y by z. Secant of x plus y by z means 1 by cos of x plus y minus z. First we can calculate cos of x plus y minus z. So what is this? Cos of x plus y into cos y cos z plus sin of x plus y into sin z. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y into cos z plus sin x cos y plus cos x sin y into sin z. So already tan x is equals to 5. Already tan x is equals to 5. Opposite y adjacent. Root 26. So here cos x is required. What is 1? Cos x 1 by root 26 into cos y. What is cos y? Opposite 1, adjacent is 5. Hypotenuse is root 26. Cos y is 5 by root 26 minus sin x 5 by root 26 sin y 1 by root 26. Okay, so this both gets cancelled. Then no need to write cos z here. Plus cos x in sin x into cos y. Sin x is 5 by root 26 and cos y also 5 by root 26. Cos y 1 by root 26 cos y. And then plus cos x 5 by root 26 into sin y. What is a sin y? 1 by root 26 and multiplied by sin z. Sin z is equals to 3 by 5. So what you get, 5 divided by 26 plus 5 divided by 26 into 3 divided by 5. So 10, 5 1 0, 5 2 0, 2 1 0, 2 13 0. So what we are getting, 3 by 13 means 13 by 3. Okay, that's about for today. And let us see the okay, what you are seeing on the screen, that is a Telegram link. Here you get regular updates and previous year questions with solutions. This is your homework, 3 questions. And next TS EAMCET result summary and NEET 2022 result summary. TS EAMCET 2022 Spark Academy result summary. Less than 2010% of the students are there. 2000 to 10,000 18%, and 10,000 to 20,000 10%, and 20,000 to 30,000 9% of the students are there. 30,000 plus, totally 53% of the students are there. And next is selection wise, 2017 year wise selections. 2017 72%, and in 2018 80%, in 2019 88%, in 2020 93%, and in 2021 95%, and in 2022 95%. Next percentage of studying projected in top 10 colleges. In 2017 35%, in 2018 52% of the students, in 2019 70, and in 2020 84, in 2021 85, in 2022 87% of the students are studying in top 10 colleges. And in 2022 the highest rank in engineering is 1937, and the highest rank in agricultural is 2020. So JEE means 2022 results. Percentage of students qualified 66, highest percentile 99.12, percentage of students who improved from first attempt 82%, percentage of students who got above 95 percentile 40, highest category all India rank 2200, number of toppers category wise 10, OBC, SC, ST, EWS all are together 10. Next, to key number of students studying in Spark Academy. Average percentage of Spark students 87%, average percentage of TS students is 60, average pass percentage of Spark Academy 98, and pass percentage of TS students is 67. State toppers, including state toppers, that is 98 plus 7 students are there, and these are intermediate top scorers. And next, Spark Academy NEET 2022 results. Highest score year wise 19 550, in 2020 575, in 2021 608, in 2022 650, and in percentage of selections, in 2019 8%, in 2020 93%, in 2021 95%, and in 2022 98% of the students are selected. And number of students who got MBBS, BDS, and DHMS seats. In 2020 15 students got seats, in 2021 19, and in 2022 27 students. JEE Mains, EAMCET and NEET classroom and online coaching admissions are open for long-term batches also 2022-23. So we have branches at Naranguda, Medipatnam, ECIL. For more details, you may contact 8977525461. Yeah. Don't be late. Join with us. And after school tuitions also providing in Naranguda branch. Admissions are open for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th classes. Timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. And still, if you have any doubts, you can contact 89775254 and 61. So thank you. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell.